Hello, friends. Let us start with the subject English. Topic 2.1, You Start Dying Slowly by Pablo Neruda. The poet is a 20th century poet. He has written many poems. He is a recipient of Nobel Prize Award. A Chilean poet tries to write the poems giving beautiful messages. The poem You Start Dying is a didactic poem which gives us the message in very short words. Let us start with the poem. Here are some warming up activities. Let us go one by one with the questions. First question: what if you do not study well? Yes, friends, you might get less marks or you may lose better grades. Students, you can write many more responses as you wish. The next question: what if you wake up late? You might reach late to the school or office. Maybe you miss your school bus or a train, right? Next question: what if you do not exercise regularly? You may not remain physically fit. The next question: what if you eat too much of junk food? It may affect your digestive system. Maybe you fall sick. The next question: what if you do not participate in the school activities or games? You may miss out all the fun from the school. Your school life may be boring. The next activity is things I can do in my life. For my nation, respect all religions, keep the environment clean, take care of public property. What can you do for your family? Love and take care of everyone. Participate in the family functions, give a helping hand to everyone. What things you can do for your friends? Cooperate with them, help in difficult times, and support them. For the old people, help them, take care, and accompany them. What can you do for yourself? Yes, you can be responsible, take care of your health, and above all, you have to be very happy. Friends, let us start with the poem. The name of the poem is You Start Dying Slowly. First, I read the stanza. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. Yes, my dear students, the poet tells us that if you do not travel, if you do not come out and explore the world, if you do not read the books, we know very well the books are the best source of knowledge. If you do not listen to the sounds of music from the nature, then you start dying slowly. Friends, start dying slowly doesn't mean that you are actually dying, but you are losing hope of a happy future. If you do not appreciate yourself, that means if you do not see the good things in you, if you do not appreciate your good deeds, then you start dying slowly. That means you are losing the hope of a happy future. विद्यार्थी मित्रो, जर आपण प्रवास केला नाही, चांगली पुस्तके वाचले नाही, निसर्गातले ध्वनींचा आनंद घेतला नाही, स्वतःचं कौतुक केलं नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ. Let us move on to the next stanza. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If we do not respect ourselves, if you do not take the help from others, then you start dying slowly. That is, you lose the hope of a happy future. जर आपला आत्मसन्मान आपणच जपला नाही इतरांनी मदतीचा हात पुढे केला, तो आपण स्वीकारला नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपून जाऊ. The next stanza. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. Dear friends, the poet further says that if you do not leave your habits or you become slaves to your habits, and you walk on the same paths, that means you follow the same routine every day. If you wear the same colors, that means if you do not embrace the different traditions, the cultures, your life will not have any intentions. Or you do not speak to those you don't know, you have to speak and explore. Then you start dying slowly, that means you lose the hope of a happy future. आपल्या नकळत आपण सवयीचे गुलाम बनत जाऊ. जाणीव होऊनही आपल्या दिनक्रमामध्ये आपण बदल केला नाही, नवीन रंग परिधान केले नाही, अनोळखी माणसांशी संवाद साधला नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपत जाऊ. नेक्स्ट स्टॅन्झा. इफ यू अवॉइड टू फील पॅशन अँड द टर्ब्युलंट इमोशन्स, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. Don't suppress your emotions, nor you control your emotions, which are going to reflect through your eyes. Your heart will beat fast. So, if you do these all things, your hope of a happy future is lost. So, dear friends, try to express yourselves, try to express through your eyes, then you may lead a happy life. आपल्या मनातील भावना मुक्तपणे व्यक्त केल्या नाही, त्यांचा आनंद घेतला नाही, तर आपल्या संवेदना बोथट होतील, त्या नाहीशा होतील. डोळ्यात चमक आणणाऱ्या, हृदयाच्या ठोक्या वाढवणाऱ्या जर सुखद भावनांचा अनुभव घेतला नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपत जाऊ. नेक्स्ट स्टॅन्झा. इफ यू डू नॉट चेंज युअर लाईफ, इफ यू आर नॉट सॅटिस्फाईड विथ युअर जॉब or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice. Dear friends, the poet says here that if you do not change your routine, if you do the same things in your daily life, if you are not satisfied with your job, that means you do not love your job, you are not satisfied with your partner, or you do not want to take any risk, always choose a safe path. You do not chase your dreams, you do not try to run after your dreams, and you do not allow yourself to explore at least once in your lifetime, or you run away from a sensible advice. That means you always choose for safer options. You never try to take a risk. Then you lose your hope for a happy future. आपल्या हाती घेतलेल्या कामांचा आपल्याला आनंद मिळत नसेल, नात्यातील प्रेम हरवत चालले आहे ह्याची जाणीव होऊनही आपण ते रेटत राहिलो, कोणत्याही आव्हानांना स्वीकारलं नाही, आपल्या स्वप्नांचा पाठपुरावा केला नाही, स्वतःचे आयुष्य बदलण्यासाठी स्वतःला संधी दिली नाही, आपल्या मनाला उपदेशाच्या बंधनातून मुक्त केलं नाही, तर आपण हळूहळू संपत जाऊ. फ्रेंड्स, let us see the margin questions. There are some questions. What things can lead you to a slow death? Now the poet has already stated in the poem that what things you do to have a happy future life. So if we do not chase our dreams, if we do not explore the world, if we do not travel, if we do not read good books, if you do not give ourselves a chance to explore, to avoid ill feelings, this all may lead to slow death. The next question is, what is that makes life living? Give 4 points. The incredible people we meet, our friends, our family, the amount of things you see around the world, the absolute beauty of the nature, the oceans, the mountains, and the incredible food that we eat, taste, and cook. Friends, let us see the central idea of this poem. Let us see the appreciation of this poem. We are going to discuss 5 points. The entire appreciation of poem carries 5 marks. The first is the title of the poem, that is You Start Dying Slowly. The poet's name is Pablo Neruda. The rhyming scheme of the poem is, it has no rhyming scheme, so it is free verse poem. The theme and the central idea, we should live the life fullest. We must travel, read, dress well. We must do new things in life. Also have positive thoughts. Above all, we must enjoy each and every moment of life. And if you do not chase your dreams, your life may be meaningless. There are many figures of speech in this. The first one is repetition. You start dying slowly. The second one is metaphor. If you do not listen to the sounds of music. And the third one is antithesis. If you do not risk what is safe. Thank you.